Hi, wonderful people. I thank you for having your time by watching this video, and I thank you for your faithfulness of being on this particular channel, for having time of watching videos on this channel. I salute you all. Today I have another video for you guys, and I want you to watch it to the end and see the great improvement that has come in this particular project. So currently we are at East Legon, to be precisely 200 meters away from the police station, and then 300 meters away from the tunnel. So we are in between the police station, or the project is ongoing in between the police station and then the tunnel. So as you can see, this the East Legon area, that they have done the gutters and they have done the most of the columns. As you can see in your shot, the columns are so big. You can imagine how the flyover that will come, how strong it will be. And this is the motorway. You can see car passing, flow in and out. So the flyover will cross the motorway from East Legon to Spintex flower pot area. This is still the motorway side. So this side will be those of them that are coming from the flower pot area. You can see the cars coming from flower pot area to join the motorway. So that's how it's going to be. So when you are from Accra Mall area too, and you are on the motorway, you can also equally enter into the spintex area. You don't need to go and pass behind the Accra Mall. You can equally use the motorway, and then when you get to this point, you just branch to that road, and then there you are at spintex. This project is so big. You can see where the flyover started from. Start from right in front of the Palace Mall, all the way across the motorway to East Legon. So you can see how long it is. It's like almost getting to 1 kilometers flyover. Yes, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, yeah. And the workers are still working. I can see, or as you can see from the shot, they are still working. And this is how we want all road projects to be active. Yes, this is how we want all road projects to be active. That they'll start from scratch to the end, then they'll finish. They will not abandon it. Want to see more of this in the country, to ease traffic, because Accra has become too choke. In terms of traffic. You can be in the traffic for over hours, and your photo is going. You have no option than to stay in it. So I hope this project will finish on time as scheduled, so that motorists can still use the flyover. And I can't wait to see how the project will be. I can't wait to drive on this particular stretch. And let me give you a little detail about the entire project. You know, this route, it started from the Burma camp area. So when you are from Burma camp, cantonment, Elwak area, you are from Labadi area, Trefe area, you can use that route from Burma camp area all the way to Flower Pot. Then you enter into East Lagos. There's no need for you to go and pass the main road that we all know, which is always there's traffic on it. That is the Tetekwashi Medina Accra road. But with this one, when they are done with it, we are from Accra, you don't want to be in that traffic and you are going to East Lagos, you can just swerve the traffic and come and pass that road from the Burma camp area to East Lagos, which is easier. So I think this project will help motorists to run through and flow. So as I bring my video to an end, I want to encourage you guys to support me by subscribing, sharing the link, encourage people to subscribe, for them to turn their notification on, and also I will appreciate all your comments. Thank you for your effort. Bye bye. See you next time.